Guys, thank you very much, each and everyone that came up to wish Joshua well on his final day of matric. The attire that he's chosen, it is a very unique attire. It's by chance someone told us that it coincides with the cancer month as well.
Yes.
We are fortunately enough to have been able to be parents to this young man. The friends that he's grown up with that could be here with him today, especially Joanne, thank you very much for coming. And the rest of the family and friends that are here. It is a very special day. It's our firstborn. We don't know how these things go, but thank you guys very much for making it to see him off from his house. We wish him well for the event and the events to follow. And thank you very much everybody. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers,
Cheers.
Oh, wat cheers. Danny.
Ek kan nie eens 'n drink nie.
Nou, je moet het drankje.
Kom, kan ek kom?
Wil je iets zien? Oh. Okay. None. You want this one? Let's cheers again, right? You want that one? All of a sudden now. Okay. Nee, maar je kan ook in die vingers lekker.
Yeah, talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the fucks I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a fuck, that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a fuck, I don't care. Did the shit by my lonesome. No wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run. All I really want is my share. Get him, I got him, I told him it's nothing. In the discussion, fuck all them feelings, I throw all my mo, showboat, rowboat, wave ride. Cool shorty, too naughty, pool party, wet for the face ride. Annie up, penny down, hand me down, thrift store, old drip. New money, too funny, old shorty, talk about old shit. I'm on they ass now, can't get a pass now. I'm a cash cow, keeping it brash now. Niggas is trash now, I'm spaz out. I've been killing my lows and